Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram DM glitch. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management and search in app list Instagram and click on storage and cache, and then you clear cache and storage. Once you done that, you simply need to permissions and allow all permissions. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the Instagram and log in your account and try to send any person a message. So let me select a random person. Okay, so let me send this person a message, that is test message. So as you can see that this message is sent. So this is a process by which you can solve Instagram DM glitch problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.